Hi man, so lately I've been having a problem with how to start my car. I think my starter is going bad, or is I need to replace, I need a new one. So I want to show you guys how to replace the starter. Oh, first of all you gotta check three things. You gotta check your car battery. Car battery should be good. It should have at least 12, minimum of 12 volts. And the second thing, you should check fuse. You should try to find a starter fuse out of the three fuses in the Jeep Laredo of 2008, 6, 7, and 2007 and 2009. So there's the first fuse that is only designated for the starter. The second fuse is designated for the clutch and the AC system, and the third one is for the fuel pump. So you can interchange them, and you can tell which one is bad, because if you interchange with one for the fuel pump, of course the car won't start, because you need fuel to start your car or to start your car. Or if you change with the AC, the car will start up if the AC fuse is working on the starter side, but the AC won't work. So that's how you know your starter is your fuse is the one that's bad. Okay, it's cheaper if you buy it online. It might cost you $18 or $20, while you can get it from the store for like at least $45 for a fuse for this Jeep. So I highly recommend you might try to buy it and replace it yourself instead of taking it to a technician. Look, I got my new starter for, let me show you the starter. I got my new starter for $60 from online, from Amazon. And this would have costed me at least $120 from the store. I don't know, AutoZone or O'Reilly's, but I chose to buy it online. And another thing, you have an option. If your starter doesn't work, you can be all, I'm stuck on the side of the road, I need to call whatever, AAA or AAA, whatever I don't even know. I've never used it, even though I pay the insurance. So you gotta find yourself this thing. First of all, you can hear the sound that it makes when you try to turn it on. You hear that? Because the solenoid is bad or the starter is bad. So you gotta find this thing and you gotta hit it hard. Whew, man. Shit. See over there? That's the solenoid. See this thing? Here. You gotta hit it hard. Even though I don't have space. I've tried it. What the fuck? Did you see fucking stop? I fucking hope. Alright, let's see. That might be enough to start the engine. Oh, shit.